Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can find your downloads on your Opera mobile browser. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So if you had downloaded anything on Opera browser and you can't find it, then follow these steps. First, go to Opera browser and open it on your smartphone, and then go down here to your profile icon. If you tap on this here, expand this window, and you can see amongst the options is downloads. By tapping on downloads here, you should be able to see a list of all the documents that you had downloaded or files that you had downloaded, all of them listed here. As you can see, I have one document that I downloaded. If you had downloaded videos, images, or even just documents, they should be here. Now from here, you can open this document or file simply by just tapping on these three lines and then open with, and this will redirect you to your smartphone. Choose the file opener or tool. For instance, I can open with WPS, and by tapping on it, my document will be opened. So that's how you can find downloads on Opera browser. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.